to talk about the difference between a parenting time schedule and custody order, we'll start with what exactly a custody order includes. There are two kinds of custody. There's the one that people typically tend to think of when they use the word custody, physical custody, really a question of with which parent is the child or the children spending the majority of overnights with in a given calendar year. There's also legal custody, which is the decision-making authority in a child's life. It tends to cover three big areas. That would be education, medical care, and religious upbringing. So first, understanding the difference in the two types of custody is a very good place to start. Physical custody and legal custody. Parenting time is really a mechanism of physical custody. We really have to first understand or determine what is physical custody going to look like. Then we can figure out what kind of parenting time schedule is appropriate. So if there is, for example, a shared physical custody situation, 50% of the time with one parent, 50% of the time with the other parent, then we still would have to determine what is the parenting time schedule. And that can look like many different things. That could be on a week on, week off schedule. It could be 2 nights with one parent, 2 nights with the other, on and on we go. When you are working toward an agreement in your custody matter, you have a lot of free reign to make creative decisions and figure out a parenting time schedule that works for you. If there is, for example, one parent having primary physical custody, then we have to determine what parenting time schedule is the other parent going to have. There is what's called the Indiana Parenting Time Guidelines, which is a base threshold parenting time schedule. In the absence of an agreement or some good reason why there shouldn't be a different type of schedule, there is a default schedule already written into those. If you have questions about the Indiana Parenting Time Guidelines, you can Google those and review them for yourself. So hopefully this video helped you understand the difference between custody and parenting time, how they're different, but also how they work together.